Advanced Residential Applications and Case Studies, Chapter 11, Case Study of Encumbered Ownership Interest, page 10, Improved Property Sales. The following residential properties have sold in the subject area in recent months. You will also want to use this chart to make adjustments to the comparable sales as you complete the sales comparison approach. Please print this page. Page 11, Adjustments. In your career, you have spent a significant amount of time appraising residential properties in the subject area. You've gathered and researched sales data and performed paired data analysis in order to determine the contributory value of the various components and features typically found in area properties. Your ongoing research of the value that buyers ascribe to these property features has determined the following contributory values, which you can refer to in order to make necessary adjustments to the comparable sales in the chart on the preceding page. Seller paid concessions. Usually a dollar for dollar negative adjustment is non-typical. Condition due to effective age. Straight line age life method. See below. Site value. Based on market value of site as determined by similar vacant land sales. Bathroom. $2,500 for half bath and $5,000 for full bath. Gross living area. $75 a square foot. Car storage. $6,000 / garage space, $5,000 / carport space. Porch and covered patio, $15 a square foot. Fireplace, $2,000. Swimming pool, 40% of actual pool installation cost. See below. Tennis court, 40% of actual tennis court installation cost. See below. Shop buildings, 65% of actual shop building cost. See below. Cost of pool installation, $25,000. Cost of tennis court installation, $18,000. Cost of shop building cost, $11,000. As you make necessary adjustments to the comparable sales, remember that whenever the comp is superior to the subject, you will be making a negative adjustment. If the comp is inferior to the subject, then you will be making a positive adjustment. You are equalizing the comps. So for instance, if the comp lacks a bathroom as compared to the subject, you will give it a bathroom by making a $5,000 positive adjustment to the comp. Whenever adjustments are based on a percentage of the actual cost of the component, remember that you will need to reference cost data, which can be found a few pages further on. Please print this page. End of page. Page 12, adjustments continued. Your adjustment for condition due to effective age will be based on straight line depreciation, but because land does not depreciate, it is necessary to exclude the site value from the sale price of the comp before making depreciation calculations. The chart below reflects one way to calculate appropriate condition due to effective adjustments. The subject and comps are evaluated and effective ages are estimated for each. The difference between the subject and the comp's effective ages / total economic life, which was 60 years, is calculated as a percentage of difference. This percentage difference in depreciation is applied to the sale price minus the site value for each comparable. Here it shows your grid. On the left is the 60-year table. To the right of that is the subject, and then comps 1 through 3. The row underneath that was the effective age. The subjects was 10, comp 1 was 13, comp 2 was 8, and comp 3 was 10. Percentage of depreciation years out of 60. For the subject, it's 16.67%. For comp 1, it's 21.67%. For comp 2, it's 13.33%. And for comp 3, it's 16.67%. The comp dash sub, I'm assuming depreciation, there's nothing for the subject. For comp 1, it's 5%. For comp 2, for comp 1, it's adding 5%. For comp 2, it's minusing 3.33%. And for comp 3, it's a wash. It's just nothing. Obviously, for the sale price, the next row, there's nothing for the subject. For comp 1, it's $463,000. For comp 2, it's $525,250. And for comp 3, it's $452,250 was the sale price. For the next row, it says less site value. There's nothing for the subject. For comp 1, it's $120,000. For comp 2, it's $160,000. And for comp 3, it's $104,000. The next row is the improvements section. There's nothing for the subject. For comp 1, it's $343,000. For comp 2, it's $365,000 and $365,250. And for comp 3, it was $348,250. The next row says X percent adjust. So I'm assuming that says like a multiply percent adjustment. There's nothing for the subject, but for comp 1, it's an upward of 5% adjustment. For comp 2, it's a minus 3.33% adjustment, and there's nothing for comp 3. On the final row, it says condition adjustment. There's nothing for the subject. For comp 1, it's a upward $17,150 adjustment. For comp 2, it's a minus $12,163 adjustment, and there's nothing for comp 3. Please print this page. Having made necessary adjustments to the comparable sales to reflect market reaction to components of value and property differences, the comparable sales adjusted sale prices should provide you with a reasonable range. If you have properly performed the process, you should have a good indication of market value for your property. What is your opinion of value based on the sales comparison approach? I'm gonna go $475. Having made necessary adjustments to the comparable sales to reflect market reaction to components of value and property differences, the comparable sales adjusted sale prices should provide you with a reasonable range. What is your opinion? I already did that. And it shows all of this. I said $475,000. It's not letting me do anything else though. End of page.